gone through an incredibly tough crisis, which was obviously unexpected. This event was more than just a stressful situation. This was a catastrophe, which the family has had little time to prepare for. They have no previous experience in helping deal with the situation. They have few resources to draw upon to look for help, and the family is likely to be in this situation for a long time, which can lead to feelings of loss of control. Our two friends have experienced completely different realities since experiencing the catastrophe. This is due to their varying abilities to cope with the situation. At 16 years old, this event was happening at a crucial time in their lives as they are trying to figure out their role and identity in both their family and in their individual lives. For Jack, he has had a much more difficult time coping with the situation. This can be credited to a couple different reasons. First, he does not have a balanced family life. His family is either extremely chaotic or extremely rigid. Another cause could be his underdeveloped maturation, which has led to mental instability. Both of these reasons deny him the ability to properly adapt to the new situation. His identity is confused, and he is seeking fulfillment and support from places that cannot properly offer it, like his use of illicit drugs. For Jill, she's adapted to the situation very well. While still saddened by the loss of her home, she relies on her balanced home life and her support system in her family as well as outside of her family, such as community groups, her church, her school friends, and these reasons have helped her accept the circumstances. She probably has been open and transparent about her feelings as well throughout the difficult time, and this has boosted her mental state. Both of these people have responded to the helplessness that occurs in a catastrophe in different ways. Without a balanced family structure and a stable support system, the effects of this type of situation can prove very negative.